we're in Arolla, and the objective is to visit an ice cave. So we're gonna walk around 1 hour and 15 minutes before reaching the cave, and I think it's gonna be really beautiful. So please stick with me, and let's go. Hi, here we are. I made it to the cave. It took me 1 hour and 15 minutes to come here from the parking. It was pretty flat, very easy to come up here. The place is just beautiful. Look at this ice. The cave is even more amazing. Have a look. I'm almost back to the car. Today was just insane. That cave was out of this world. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more of this kind of content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much. Peace.